To begin using Google Slides, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Slides homepage. If you're not already signed in, locate the Sign In button, which is typically positioned either in the middle of the page or in the top right corner. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your Google account credentials, allowing you to access all of Google's suite of productivity tools seamlessly. Once you have successfully signed in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of Google Slides. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice the main menu panel. This panel provides quick access to various Google apps, including Docs, Sheets, Slides, Forms, Drive, Settings, and Help and Feedback. This centralized location ensures that you can easily switch between different applications without having to navigate away from your current workspace. At the top center of the interface, you'll find the search bar. This powerful tool allows you to locate your files quickly, saving you time and making your workflow more efficient. Whether you're searching for a specific presentation or trying to find related documents, the search bar is an invaluable feature that enhances your productivity. Moving to the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the Google Apps menu. This menu offers a more extensive array of Google apps, providing even greater flexibility and options for your projects. Adjacent to the apps menu is your profile photo, which serves as a gateway to managing your Google account. By clicking on your profile photo, you can access account settings, update your personal information, and manage your security preferences. In the center of the screen, you have the option to choose a slide template to start your presentation. Google Slides offers a variety of templates designed to cater to different presentation needs, whether you're creating a business report, an educational lecture, or a creative portfolio. To explore an even wider selection of templates, simply click on the template gallery located in the top right area of the screen. This expanded gallery provides numerous design options to help you create a visually appealing and professional presentation. Below the template selection area, you'll find a list of your most recent files. This feature allows for easy navigation between your latest projects, ensuring that you can quickly access and continue working on your most current presentations without having to search through your entire drive. When you're ready to create a new slide, look for the blank presentation option, which is easily identifiable by a large plus icon. Clicking this will open a fresh, empty presentation where you can start adding your content from scratch. At the very top of the Google Slides interface, you have the ability to change your slide's name. This is particularly useful for organizing and identifying your presentations, especially when working with multiple projects. Additionally, you can toggle the star icon next to the slide name to bookmark your presentation, making it easily accessible for future reference. The top right section of the screen houses several important features. Here you'll find options such as Show All Comments, which allows you to review feedback and notes made on every page of your slide. There's also Join Call to Present, enabling you to start a video meeting directly from your presentation. The Start Slideshow to Present option lets you begin your presentation in a full screen mode, ideal for sharing with an audience. The Share button is essential for collaborating with teammates, while Gemini AI offers assistance and support for your slide creation. Finally, your profile photo is also located here for easy access to your account management. Clicking on Show All Comments will display all the comments made throughout your presentation. This feature is particularly useful for collaborative projects, allowing you to address feedback and make necessary adjustments efficiently. If you need to start a video meeting or join an existing call, simply click on Join a Call. This integrates seamlessly with your presentation, making it easier to present your slides during virtual meetings or collaborative sessions. To view options for presenting your slide, click on Slideshow. This will provide various settings and modes to enhance your presentation experience, ensuring that your slides are displayed exactly how you intend them to be. Collaboration is made easy with the Share feature. By clicking on this option, you can invite teammates to view or edit your presentation, manage access permissions, and ensure that everyone involved can contribute effectively to the project. If you require assistance or support while working on your presentation, Gemini AI is there to help. This intelligent assistant can provide tips, answer questions, and guide you through various features of Google Slides, making your slide creation process smoother and more efficient. Managing your Google account is straightforward by clicking on your profile photo. From here, you can view and update your account information, change settings, and ensure that your account remains secure. Beneath the Google Slide title, you'll encounter a ribbon filled with various functions designed to enhance your slide creation process. This ribbon includes menus such as File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Slide, Arrange, Tools, Extensions, and Help. Each of these menus offers a range of features and tools that allow you to customize and refine your presentation to meet your specific needs. Starting with the File menu, you can manage your presentation through various features like making a copy of your slide, importing content, sharing your work, and much more. This menu is your central hub for handling all file-related tasks, ensuring that your presentation is organized and easily accessible. Within the File menu, you'll find options to download your slide in different formats, move your presentation to specific folders, delete unwanted slides, check version history to track changes, add a shortcut to your drive for quick access, and perform page setup and printing tasks. These features provide comprehensive control over your presentation's management and distribution. The Edit menu grants you access to essential editing features such as undo, redo, cut, copy, and paste. These basic yet crucial tools allow you to modify your content efficiently, ensuring that your presentation remains accurate and well organized. Additionally, within the Edit menu, you can perform actions like pasting without formatting to maintain a consistent look, selecting all elements on a slide for bulk actions, duplicating slides to save time, and using the Find and Replace tool to make precise edits. These functionalities streamline the editing process, making it easier to maintain a polished and professional presentation. The Edit menu also includes various keyboard shortcuts that facilitate easy navigation and quick execution of commands. These shortcuts can significantly enhance your workflow, allowing you to perform tasks more swiftly without having to navigate through multiple menus. Moving on to the View menu, this section provides access to various view-related features. You can change the viewing mode to suit your preferences, access the slideshow option to present your slides, adjust motion settings, utilize the theme builder to customize your slides, and manage comments effectively. These tools help you visualize and fine-tune your presentation to perfection. Within the View menu, additional features include accessing the grid view for better organization, showing rulers and guides to align your content accurately, enabling live pointers for highlighting specific areas during presentations, displaying speaker notes for reference, viewing the film strip to navigate between slides easily, adjusting the zoom level for better visibility, and entering full screen mode for an immersive presentation experience. The Insert menu is where you can enhance your slides by adding various elements such as images, text boxes, shapes, diagrams, and tables. These insertion tools allow you to create visually engaging and informative slides that effectively convey your message. Expanding on the Insert menu, you can also add charts to represent data visually, insert lines and word art for creative text effects, embed videos and audio clips to make your presentation more dynamic, add comments for collaborative feedback, create new slides or apply templates to maintain a consistent design, and even add slide numbers for better organization and navigation. These features provide a wide range of options to enrich your presentation and make it more interactive. The Format menu offers a variety of formatting options to customize the appearance of your text, align elements accurately, manage indentation and spacing, and add bullets and numbering to organize your content. These formatting tools are essential for creating a clean and professional looking presentation. Additionally, within the Format menu, you can format tables to ensure data is presented clearly, adjust image settings to enhance visual appeal, modify borders and lines for better separation and emphasis, and access other formatting options to fine-tune the overall design of your slides. These comprehensive formatting features allow you to create a polished and visually appealing presentation. The Slide menu focuses on managing individual slides within your presentation. You can add new slides or change existing templates to suit your needs, duplicate slides to save time, delete unnecessary slides to keep your presentation concise, skip slides during your presentation, move slides to rearrange the order, and perform other slide-specific tasks. These tools provide you with complete control over the structure and flow of your presentation. Within the Slide menu, you can also change the background of your slides to match your theme, apply different layouts for variety, add transitions between slides to enhance the flow of your presentation, edit and change the overall theme to maintain a consistent look, and customize other slide-related settings. These features help you create a cohesive and engaging presentation that holds your audience's attention. The Arrange menu allows you to manage the arrangement of elements on your slides. You can order elements to control which items appear in front or behind others, align elements for a neat and organized layout, distribute elements evenly across the slide, center elements to create a balanced composition, rotate elements to achieve the desired orientation, and group or ungroup elements for easier manipulation. These arrangement tools ensure that your slide elements are perfectly positioned and aesthetically pleasing. By utilizing the Arrange menu, you can maintain a harmonious and professional looking slide design. Ordering elements correctly prevents overlap and confusion, aligning elements creates a structured layout, and distributing elements evenly ensures that your slides are visually balanced. Centering elements can draw attention to key points, rotating elements adds creative flair, and grouping elements simplifies the process of moving or resizing multiple items simultaneously. The Tools menu provides access to specialized tools that enhance your presentation's functionality. You can check spelling to ensure your content is error-free, link objects to other slides or external resources for interactive elements, and access the dictionary for accurate word definitions. These tools help you maintain a high standard of quality and professionalism in your presentation. Within the Tools menu, you can also utilize the Q&A feature for interactive presentations, dictate speaker notes for hands-free note-taking, adjust notification settings to stay informed about collaborative changes, access accessibility options to make your presentation inclusive, and manage other preferences to customize your workspace. These tools cater to various aspects of presentation creation and delivery, ensuring a smooth and effective experience. The Extensions menu is where you can manage add-ons and app scripts that extend the functionality of Google Slides. These extensions can provide additional features, streamline your workflow, and integrate with other applications, allowing you to customize Google Slides to better suit your specific needs and preferences. Finally, the Help menu is your go-to resource for assistance with Google Slides. Here, you can access help articles, participate in training sessions, stay updated with the latest features, learn keyboard shortcuts to enhance your productivity, and review policies related to Google Slides. This comprehensive support ensures that you have the resources you need to create effective and professional presentations. Beneath the ribbon, you'll find the menu, which provides quick access to frequently used features such as New Slide, templates, undo and redo actions, printing options, magnification settings, and fitting slides to the screen. These menu options allow for rapid adjustments and actions, ensuring that you can work efficiently without interrupting your creative flow. Additionally, the menu offers tools to switch to the pointer for highlighting specific areas during your presentation, add text boxes for additional content, insert images and shapes to enhance visual appeal, draw lines for separation or emphasis, and add comments for collaborative feedback. These features make it easy to customize your presentation on the fly and respond to any immediate needs that arise during your slide creation process. At the bottom of the Google Slides interface, you'll find a dedicated area for adding your speaker notes. These notes serve as a valuable reference during your presentation, allowing you to keep track of key points, reminders, and additional information that you want to convey to your audience without displaying it directly on your slides. Clicking the Show Panel button in the bottom right corner will reveal the Add-ons panel on the right side of the screen. This panel provides quick access to any add-ons you have installed, allowing you to integrate additional tools and functionalities into your presentation seamlessly. By utilizing add-ons, you can further enhance your slides with specialized features tailored to your specific needs. Throughout your experience with Google Slides, it's essential to stay organized and make the most of the available tools and features. By understanding the layout and functionality of each menu and panel, you can create professional, engaging, and effective presentations that effectively communicate your message to your audience. When creating a new presentation, consider the purpose and audience to select the most appropriate template. Templates provide a solid foundation with pre-designed layouts and color schemes, ensuring that your slides are visually consistent and appealing from the start. Whether you're preparing a corporate presentation, an educational lecture, or a creative portfolio, choosing the right template can significantly impact the effectiveness of your presentation. As you begin adding content to your slides, leverage the Insert menu to incorporate various multimedia elements. Adding images and videos can make your slides more engaging and help illustrate your points more clearly. Text boxes and shapes allow you to highlight key information, while diagrams and tables can effectively present data and complex ideas in an easily digestible format. These elements not only enhance the visual appeal of your presentation, but also aid in retaining your audience's attention. Utilizing the Format menu will ensure that your content is presented clearly and professionally. Consistent text formatting, proper alignment, and appropriate spacing are crucial for readability and overall slide aesthetics. Bullet points and numbering can help organize information logically, making it easier for your audience to follow along and understand your key messages. The slide menu offers flexibility in managing the structure of your presentation. Adding new slides or duplicating existing ones allows you to expand your presentation effortlessly, while deleting unnecessary slides helps keep your content concise and focused. Changing slide layouts can introduce variety and prevent your presentation from becoming monotonous, ensuring that your audience remains engaged throughout. Effective use of the Arrange menu ensures that all elements on your slides are perfectly positioned and aligned. Proper alignment and distribution of elements create a balanced and harmonious layout, enhancing the overall visual appeal of your presentation. Grouping related elements can simplify the process of moving or resizing content, allowing you to maintain consistency and efficiency in your slide design. The View menu provides tools that allow you to see your presentation from different perspectives. Using the grid view can help with precise placement of elements, while showing rulers and guides ensures accurate alignment. Enabling live pointers can aid in highlighting specific areas during a presentation, and displaying speaker notes helps you stay on track without revealing your notes to the audience. These view options enhance both the creation and delivery phases of your presentation. Collaborative features within Google Slides make it easy to work with others on your presentation. By sharing your slides and managing access permissions through the Share button, you can invite team members to view or edit your content. This collaborative approach fosters teamwork and ensures that your presentation benefits from multiple perspectives and contributions. Throughout the creation process, consider utilizing the Tools menu to enhance your presentation's quality and functionality. Spell check ensures your content is free of errors, while linking objects allows for interactive elements that can engage your audience. Dictating speaker notes can save time and improve efficiency, especially during the revision and rehearsal phases of your presentation preparation. Extensions available through the Extensions menu can further customize your Google Slides experience. Whether you need advanced diagramming tools, specialized data analysis features, or additional design options, extensions can provide the extra functionality you need to create a standout presentation. By exploring and integrating these add-ons, you can tailor Google Slides to better meet your specific presentation requirements. Accessing the Help menu is essential when you encounter challenges or need guidance while working on your presentation. Comprehensive help resources, including tutorials, FAQs, and support articles, are available to assist you in overcoming any obstacles. Staying informed about the latest features and updates ensures that you can fully leverage Google Slides' capabilities to create effective and modern presentations. As you finalize your presentation, take advantage of the Start Slideshow to Present option to view your slides in full screen mode. This allows you to experience your presentation as your audience will, helping you identify any final adjustments needed for optimal delivery. Practicing your slideshow ensures that transitions are smooth, timings are accurate, and your overall presentation flows seamlessly. Sharing your presentation with collaborators is straightforward with the Share button. By inviting specific individuals or generating shareable links, you can collaborate in real time, receive feedback, and make necessary adjustments efficiently. Managing access permissions ensures that your presentation remains secure while still allowing for collaborative input. Gemini AI serves as an intelligent assistant within Google Slides, providing real-time support and suggestions to enhance your presentation. Whether you need help with content creation, design choices, or troubleshooting, Gemini AI is there to assist you, making the slide creation process more intuitive and efficient. Managing your Google account directly from the profile photo ensures that your account settings are always within easy reach. Whether you need to update your password, adjust privacy settings, or review account activity, accessing your profile provides a secure and convenient way to manage your Google services. The ribbon beneath the slide title is packed with essential functions that streamline your presentation creation process. From managing files and editing content to customizing views and inserting multimedia elements, each menu within the ribbon offers a range of tools designed to enhance your workflow and ensure that your presentation meets your specific needs and standards. By thoroughly understanding and utilizing each feature and tool available within Google Slides, you can create professional, engaging, and effective presentations that effectively communicate your ideas and captivate your audience. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, mastering these functionalities will empower you to leverage Google Slides to its fullest potential, ensuring that your presentations are both impactful and visually appealing.